Just going to zoom out a little bit here and take a look at a couple of the grain markets. I'm looking at soybeans here, and then I'm going to take a look at the wheat chart. I've got a couple of price projections on this chart using one of my Plato price tools. You can see that we made the double bottom here where we had a near overlap of these 2 points, which make this a very harmonic point here. You can see that that particular level where those 2 harmonics were at, like 966 and 972, that held both tests of that area. First bottom here in December of 24, and then again here in April of 25. Prior to that, we had a slightly higher low here as that was finishing its ratcheting move down, and now it looks like we may have made a first higher bottom right here. Notice that we've been in this sideways basing period for 11 months to this point here. It's possible this is another significant bottom area in soybeans. The last major low was in 2020, and we had a higher low here in 2022 back in November. So then we had, after November, we had that strong move up into April or June of 22. And then we've been in this long bear market that's been tracing downwards for just over 3 years. It looks like this is about to complete its base and then start the next bullish move up. Let's go and take a look at wheat. Here's the wheat chart. Wheat has been in a major bear since March of 22. Here topped out on March 8th of 2022. You can see that this move down has been going on for over 3 years now. This is the bigger picture. I'm going to zoom in and take a look at this area here at the potential bottom. Here's the chart of wheat in this area where we're bottoming. I have my swing cycle marked out. Anyway, you can see the 2 harmonic projections for this low, how tight we are clustered here in this 525 to 534 area. This is a point where we've had these significant lows here. We have this double bottoming action here. Actually, this is a triple bottom. You could almost call this a quadruple bottom if you count that first low there. Anyway, that one reversed temporarily a little bit before the zone. We hit the zone. We made a move up. We came back, tested the upper zone, came back again, just cracked into the upper zone, and then bounced out of there. It looks like this zone is going to hold. It's a similar pattern to the soybeans. Both of these been in this long basing period. This one too since May of 25. Not the same kind of basing pattern we had in soybeans over the period of a year. This one's only a few months, but it's still significant since we've been in this bear for around 3 years, 4 months or so. Here's a zoom in look. This looks like this is starting to coil up to make its next bull run also. It's possible that we might still retest the zone down here in that 524, 525 area. So we'll see how this plays out. But either way, both of these markets are setting up for big moves to the upside.